To follow a good food program is very important because it doesn't only affect your body health but the mental health too. Today I'm going to talk about the food program that I follow to stay healthy and to be in a good shape. The program which I follow is the best because I lost more than 10 kilograms in a short period and I have become fit. The program concentrates on healthy food such as vegetables and fruits because they have fibers and doesn't have fats. In addition, when you eat vegetables and fruits, you will lose weight, and this kind of food will keep you away from some dangerous disease like cholesterol and diabetes. In fact, the program which I follow has some side effects because I don't eat all kinds of meat, which are full proteins, and as you know, our body need a few quantity of proteins. I try to solve this problem by eating some food supplement which compensate the lack of meats. I recommend everyone to follow a health food program, especially the one which I follow, because you will see and feel that result in a short period, and you will not suffer from any dangerous disease. Thank you.